Get ready with Dadi, Poti and Puppo.
See? Was that so hard?
This is so dangerous, guys.
What do you mean, nazar nahi aa raha? You're looking in a mirror. Pakota? Pakola. Pakola.
Pakota.
Everyone says it's pakota. Why does my head look so small?
To send us this beautiful clothes. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। चलें आज आप रेडी हो मेरे और लाइबा के साथ, सना के साथ, जायरा के साथ। हम सब रेडी होने वाले हैं ईद के लिए, क्योंकि सना के घर दावत है। और मेकअप आप देख रहे हैं मेरा हो चुका है, लेकिन आप इसका ट्यूटोरियल जाके अब यहाँ से देखें। गेट रेडी विद दादी, पोती एंड पुप्पो।
चलो, let's do her makeup.
जायरा क्या करेगी हमारे साथ?
She's gonna be the director.
So cute.
She's chilling, watching Teletubby. She's way so nice.
तो गौर से देख रही है। तो अपने मुंह पे हाथ लगा रही है कि मेरे आपके भी लगाए।
This is too light for you.
Is it?
Yeah.
मैं इतना सारा थोड़ी लगा दी जितना तुमने लगाया।
Oh, you want full coverage, don't you? Yes or no?
Yeah, that's fine.
You only put a little bit?
I just put one dab and bus पूरा around it.
But you're doing like full glab, no?
Yeah.
You want it lighter?
No, it's fine. Good.
Cheddar, shut up!
I can mix it if you have a hard time.
No. You should face me though. That's the only difference.
I know. Oh.
What are you doing? Are you watching?
कह रही आंखें जोर से बंद ना करें, क्योंकि रिंकल्स पड़ जाते हैं। तो रिंकल्स तो पड़ेंगे, अब बुढ़े हो गए तो अब रिंकल्स नहीं पड़ेंगे तो फिर और क्या होगा। लाइक ये कैसी टेक्निक है मेकअप आर्टिस्ट की? है उनमें स्किल होनी चाहिए कि रिंकल्स नजर
I'm
ना
not
आए।
even a makeup artist. And second, it's just a fact.
It's just a fact.
She wants to touch it so bad. Baby, you don't touch it, okay? You're gonna get all dirty.
Allah Hafiz.
Baba, do time, yes.
अब do that.
Mom, your face. Yeah, your skin is really dry. Mine is this dry too.
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल रोज़ों में होगी ज़्यादा, क्योंकि पानी नहीं पी रहे थे ना इतना, तो इस वजह से हो गई है। बट इट लुक्स गुड, आई थिंक सो। चश्मे के बगैर मैं अपने उससे कंटूरिंग कभी भी नहीं कर सकती। थिंक सो इट लुक्स टू ब्लैक। मेरे पास चीक वो बोन्स ही नहीं है।
You can make it.
बोन्स ही नहीं है जिसमें से गोश्त ही गोश्त है, गोश्त ही गोश्त है। आना भी है, देखा ना करो, देखा। ओके, सो जाए आप।
The thing that it
Daddy
helps.
showing.
Are you doing daddy's makeup? Are you doing daddy's makeup?
Do.
Oh yeah, stay looking up, don't look down.
Not look down.
You can
Like it's
play.
look like a torture. Chalo, do die.
Let me change your diaper first. Come.
चलो जा पापा डायरेक्टर चेंज कर। ये क्या सेटिंग पाउडर? अब ये पिंक कलर का आ गया मुझे।
Yeah, apparently. Like it, to me, I don't really care for the pink, but apparently it's really nice.
Like every month, like मेरे ख्याल तो लाबा बहुत अरसे बाद मेरा मेकअप कर रही है और every time I see new things. So ब्लश भी लगा दिया और ये वाला यूज किया। This is that mineral powder.
No,
Huh.
this is just like a translucent now. I'll just set everything before putting on cream. Should we put something on the TV or something?
Yeah.
What should we put on?
ये भी ब्राउन्सर। Honestly, मैं तो 3 चीजों से अपना मेकअप करती हूँ। जायरा सोने चली गई तो लग रहा घर में सन्नाटा हो गया.
Zaira and Dad.
Yeah, uncle too, पापा too. पापा की तबीयत ठीक नहीं, खांसी बहुत है. तो पता ना कल इन्होंने वो भी टेस्ट किए अपने कोविड टेस्ट भी
Yeah, I
किए
know,
घर
it's
में.
here.
That blush was different. This is different.
That one's a cream. This one's like a powder. Because once again, you're facing that way. Yeah, you look like you got punched. You look like you got punched in your face.
लाइबा punched me. देखा आपके पास proof है ना ये punch किया ना.
It's fine. You can just take a regular powder.
तो देखें ये टिप है आपके लिए. अगर ब्लश इस तरह हो जाए कि किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा है मुंह पे तो उसके ऊपर ये क्या है खाली
Just regular face powder.
फेस पाउडर लगा ले
Blend
थोड़ा
कर
सा.
दें थोड़ा सा.
और मेरे जैसी होती तो वाइप कर देती टिश्यू से.
That's so funny. It's because I can't see this side. Because it's too much blush. Too much blush. You gonna do your own eyebrows?
Yeah, I can do my own eyebrows.
What do you want for your eyes? If you need eyeshadow, we're gonna have to ask Sana because I didn't bring
No, just do a little bit. No, nothing crazy. Don't do too much.
I didn't even bring anything. Is what I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, so Sana से ले लेंगे.
Don't do it. You're gonna do it in there, really?
No,
Here.
I'll do it this way.
Mom, how? Here. Don't ruin it.
खोलो तो सही.
Twist. Who tightened this?
Obviously you lava. Who else use your thing? Okay, मेरे मस्कारे के लिए एक स्पेशल टेक्निक है जो कि हमेशा लगाती हूँ तो ऊपर लगता है या नीचे लगता है.
Mom, because you blink like this. Don't blink
I
so
get so
hard.
scared. आप सोचे कि मैंने कभी जिंदगी में लेंस नहीं लगाया क्योंकि मैं इतनी डरती हूँ.
Yeah, well, don't blink you. First of all, you had perfect vision. Why would you need lenses?
Yeah. वो जो नकली वाले नहीं लगाते लोग. हमने से 4 बाल हैं आंखों पे. इस पे बाल ही नहीं है इनमें. लैशेस पे लग गया नीचे ना. और लावा तुमने डरा दिया. नहीं लगा कहीं पे.
Yeah, so don't blink now. If you have this habit of blinking right after you do your mascara,
Wow, I'm proud of myself.
do not blink.
Ooh,
Okay, look up.
I'm sweating. इतनी स्ट्रेस हुई कि मैं स्वेटिंग करने लगी.
Look. Curl your lashes first. Just gonna curl them after. I mean, your lashes are longer. They're probably longer from the, what's it called?
वो जो सीरम तुम दिया था ना वो तो मैंने पता नहीं
They're
कब से खत्म है.
still so much longer.
Oh,
Should
yeah?
have
That's
curled your
nice.
lashes though. Okay, now if you want eyeshadow, we can get it from Sun. Are you sure you don't want like end lashes? We could give you end lashes, like the ones I wear.
तो ये सेटिंग स्प्रे लाइबा ने लगाया अभी और उसके बाद हंसना नहीं होता. लाइबा कह रही है सारे रिंकल पड़ जाते हैं.
Yeah, because the way you laugh.
लाइबा डांट रही है मेकअप करते हुए.
Really won't.
और मैं बड़े बड़े लैशेस नहीं पहन सकती. मुझे छोटे छोटे लैशेस चाहिए. So what did you do?
No, they look fine. I just had to curl your lashes. So I'll curl your lashes.
Okay. You guys
I
are
don't
a
know. I've never
witness.
curled someone's lashes before.
Okay,
look this way. Mom, stop. Okay. I need to rest
What
my
is it?
elbow. Okay.
Lava.
Now, yeah. Now just stay like that. Don't do anything. Just stay. Or
Why-
look. Just
why
look
I
down.
have to look you?
Just look down. I don't know. I've never done this before. No, open. Okay. Open. Open. And then, yeah. Stay. There's, look down. Look down. There now. Stay. Do not move. Stay. Stay. Is it hurting?
No.
Okay. Mom, I have to press harder than that. Okay, go do it yourself. You know what? Okay, look. You put it here. Look at me. Look. You put it at the lashes. See, like here? And then you just squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
Okay.
But don't do this because all your eyelashes will fall off.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? So the red goes under. No. First, position it. Yeah.
मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहा. आप देखो.
What do you mean, nazar nahi aa raha? You're looking in a mirror. Mom, look in the mirror. Okay, angle it this way. See the red's gonna go under your lashes. Look up. There. Now look down. See how it's under?
Yeah.
Okay, now press. Yep, press. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Press it harder. I don't even see you pressing.
टूट जाएंगे.
Let it go. You're not even pressing it.
टूट जाएंगे बे.
Look, do you see the red? You have to squeeze it down. Move, I'm doing it. Mom, I'm gonna just take all your eyelashes off. Okay, just stay still. Do not freak out. See? Was that so hard?
This is so dangerous, guys.
Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Stop. Mom, I swear, this is why I don't like doing your makeup anymore. How does Sana deal with you?
Sana doesn't do dangerous
Sana,
things.
man, I can't even curl her lashes without her freaking out. How do you do
I don't
it?
curl her lashes.
Oh, okay.
I don't try.
Well, that's what
Now,
I'm
I
saying.
told
Sana
her-
doesn't do dangerous. बस.
Her lashes are so strong.
Her lashes are so
Look at
strong.
guys, they're
these
killing
ones.
me.
So much
No,
better.
they're easier, right?
Yeah.
Like for her
'Cause you have
eyes,
to
you could
squeeze
never
all her
do
lashes in it.
a proper curl.
I have extra. At home. I'll find it for you. Mom, don't
It looks
ever.
good there. Her makeup looks really good.
She's so extra. How do you
Don't
even?
put any kajal in her eyes. even
No,
if
I'm
it's
just putting like
waterproof.
end lashes, but
Yeah. Every time I put even liquid eyeliner
You
on
can't.
top of her eyes, it like melts.
Yeah, it
somehow.
melts somehow.
I don't even know if these will look good. So we'll see.
No, these look so
I'll have to recurl her lashes after they're glued on. How do you do it? She's so extra.
I'm telling you, Sana doesn't do dangerous things.
No, Sana just has too much patience for you. I don't. I'm
Oh, that
literally
looks
your
good. It
daughter.
looks so good.
No, this one.
The what? Pakota? Pakola.
Pakota.
Everyone says it's pakota.
This is pakota. Sana said pakota. Who drinks pakota? Pakola, Pakistani favorite drink.
It is Pakistani.
Pakola.
Apparently their powder is really
Yeah,
nice. Their
I haven't
powder.
tried it yet. I've been using this one. So today I used to have my mom,
And see how
Oh my
it
God.
goes.
but I haven't tried it.
Plump lip on the top.
Sana, you quit my makeup, huh?
Mom,
Sana को मैं
Stop
complain कर
talking.
रही हूँ.
Give her a little lip filler action over there with just
I
lip
feel like
liner.
sabotaging her makeup.
लाइवा?
I'm so.
मैं ये रहने
लब-
दूंगी सारा इसी में देखना सब देखेंगे.
It's a new trend.
You can fix it really easy, you know, after with concealer. I really want to see her with like.
No.
We should do that one
No.
day and then show it to Dad. And
That
Dad,
will
Yeah,
freak
his
out.
reaction. Or Osama's always good with.
Yeah,
Osama
Osama
has-
would like. I'd love to see
Osama has
Osama's
opinions on makeup.
No, पापा को
reaction.
पापा.
Love to see reaction.
I am overfilling it a little bit.
Yeah, I do. I always do. It looks so nice.
Because you have
Makes
no
you look
lips.
youthful.
Okay.
Why does my head look so small?
मेरा बड़ा
Yeah.
लगा है, so that's why.
I look like, remember for Halloween when you take an apple, your teacher, you take an apple and let it rot and it would make a skull? That's what I look like. Mom, I hate doing your makeup, I won't lie.
Overfill it. Yeah, beautiful. That
Sana?
is so- Scary.
Back seat driving नहीं करो. लाइवा.
Not bad.
You know you just got burned.
Mom, like you talk so much for I have full control of how you're gonna look today.
Sana.
No, I'm just gonna do very natural.
Sana.
Yeah, see, there you go. I like to fill in my cupid's bow. Do you do that? I fill it in now to make it more like.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
love filling it in.
So Sana. खींच लिया था.
Well, Sana's the makeup artist, not
Oh,
me.
I think you keep
cannot.
talking. You have to fix that part.
I cannot stand doing. Only other person's makeup I've done is mom's, and I don't recommend it. I hate
I
it.
filled in her middle part.
Yeah, better. Okay, we'll
We have to fix that. She kept talking.
Fix कर.
Are you done filling it in?
Yes. What is this?
You're gonna find out in a bit.
वो तो नहीं हो जाएगा यूं करके. No.
It's already on.
Yeah, it looked very nice on you.
Last time, did you actually, or
You'll
did
go around like this.
you just?
Sana इधर आ गया.
Sana,
This is
Oh, it's tingling. Oh my god.
Oh, yo, you
It
look
is
nice with lip gloss
tingling.
on. She looks nice with lip gloss.
I like it. Auntie, you look
You look really nice. Sana, oh my god, I plumped.
What the hell?
It actually did.
Right? Like the lips make her look 10 years younger.
Does
Wait,
it
it's
not?
tingling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't touch it. Doesn't it look better?
Yeah, it looked nice.
Let me see your. Come here. Look at the top of her lip. Why is it so lopsided?
Oh my god, you guys are.
देखो इधर से ये देखो, it's so in. There's no lip there. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Auntie, smile. Smile. Yeah, there you go. That's better.
That's so funny.
ये दोनों सना और लाइबा जो है ना, ये मेरे लिप्स पे लैफ कर रही हैं, दोनों की दोनों।
We're not laughing.
It looks
Yeah.
really good.
कह रही है छोटे छोटे लिप्स है।
You do have chote lips though. We're
Did you
being
fill in your
honest.
eyebrows?
No, she's about to.
Oh,
Because I can.
Just the eyebrows are the same.
Yeah, I'll do it eyebrows now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys, thank you
Welcome,
both of
welcome.
you.
You're
I
welcome.
didn't do anything. It was mostly Lava.
So finally मैंने ईद पे ये सूट पहना, पहले लाइबा ने पहना फिर मैंने पहना, तो हमने फिर चेंज कर लिया। अब मैं हो सकता है वाइट वाला पहन लूँ क्योंकि ये बहुत हैवी लग रहा है मुझे। हो सकता है जाने से पहले मैं दोबारा वाइट वाला चेंज कर लूँ। तो थैंक यू सो मच बहीरा टू सेंड अस दिस ब्यूटीफुल क्लोथ्स, और सबको बहुत पसंद आए। और मेरा मेकअप लाइबा ने किया, आपने देखा ही है अभी जाके इसको।